Hi, this is the POCO F5 Pro and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Discover on this device. So if you wanna turn off this option, just pinch, tap on the right down corner to the settings and go to more section. Then tap to -1 first screen, one screen, and switch Google Discover to none. Just let's go back and we could see that this option successfully turned off. Just to turn it on by the same way, go to this settings, to more, tap to -1 screen and switch none to Google Discover or to App Wallet. And we can see that the Google feed is successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.